Alright guys, so we got this lawnmower. We gotta change the spark plug for it. So get your wrench and the socket that fits for it. And then you're gonna loosen it. And then take it out. This one, it doesn't really have really good connection to it. You know, it's like really dirty, so you know, we're gonna go change that one. So this is the old one, and now we're gonna go over here and go get the new one. And this one right here is the one that we're gonna change. You know, it's a lot better. You know, and this is just a one that I use for parts. And you know, if I have it, then you know, it's usable still. But, you know, this one's been sitting here for a long time. It's gonna need to be clean, you know. It's still quite new. It's just a little bit more dirtier. But that one gets used a lot less. And these are the two differences between them. This is the old one. This is the new one. So now we gotta put in this one. So you're gonna screw it in with your hand first. Well, it fits, so that's good. And then after that, you're gonna tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much, because then you guys would crack the motor. Just until it stops. Don't extra tighten it. And then you're gonna click that in, and then when you hear a click, that's when it's good. And now we're gonna start it. Pump it a couple times. As you guys can see, you know, it ran a lot better. You know, it's a quick little job to do. Nothing too crazy. If you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel. Easy way to change the lawnmower spark plug. A lot of these things, the lawnmowers, they all have like the same amount of motors. And like, as you guys can see, you know, this one, it's a bridge and station. You know, like most of 70% of the lawnmowers, they all have like the bridging station. So that means like they're all the same amount of parts, the same size. And when they have that, a lot of them, they share the same parts as well. So, you know, like this one, I had this one for a while. It runs great. It performs good. You know, I've done sharpening the blade to it. I oil changed, you know. And now I changed the spark plug. So, you know, it's a good one. A good lawnmower. It's crashing too. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Master Mechanic.